I'm recording this just in case what I do turns out to be okay. But this is our wall that we have our TV on, and it is pretty blank, as you can tell, besides the Chase Year of the Horse calendar we have there on the right side. But I'm going to try something that's going to be odd. So I hope it brings some interest to this wall here without just taking up too much attention, because we are using this wall to focus on the TV, since that is what we enjoy doing, watching movies, shows. So I want to keep the focus there without taking away attention from that. So I'm right now figuring out how to space these rods that I made for a project in our last apartment. This was a chandelier I made, and I didn't know what I wanted to do with them when we moved out and into this new apartment, but I think I'm going to use these on the wall. I'm thinking of putting them all the way at the top so they hang, or I might put them at the bottom, so like a wall skirt. Or it's kind of like a ceiling veil. The first one is up. I decided to start at this corner here. I wanted to round out this side and just add some curves to the room, since a lot of the things in this specific room are square and have a lot of sharp edges, besides this table and some curve to that chair, that pot. So little things do have curves, but I wanted to bring in something a little bit larger in scale that has that curve to this living room space. And for those who didn't see, the top of these rods is just a very messy job of thread. Has this blue color to it, light blue, baby blue. And it's nice because we have a blue rug and blue couch, so I think the blue yarn, even though most can't see, it goes with the space. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I decided to stay away from doing a wall skirt because I didn't want the fabric to be close to the heat of the wires connecting to the TV. It's just a fire hazard, so that's why I'm going to be putting them up on the wall. Okay, I'm switching directions. So the second one is up and I like it, but I think I want to bring the fabric down this wall in this corner instead of going across. I think it'll just read flat rather than some dimension added to the space. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to put this third one behind these two and kind of up above here. And so it just goes down the wall further. So right when I added the third one here, the top two ended up falling, so I need to secure them a little bit more. Alrighty. So I'm thinking, do I bring it across here, or do I keep going down this corner? I don't know, because I'm thinking our apartment may need some continuation on the wall, or should I just leave it at the corner? So I ended up moving things around in our living room just to bring this corner all together, and I think it looks very nice actually. It's a little whimsy, a little out there, but it adds that like romantic, feminine type of feeling with a little artsy kick into this space that is very structured. And like I said earlier, we do have a little more whimsy, rounded shapes, adding that romantic feeling, but it just needed more. So I'm glad I was able to put these fabric items to use in our new space, and yeah, I like it.